We are out here in Santa Rita Ranch, out here just in the Liberty Hill, just outside of Georgetown. We're here at a Perry home. I can't wait to show you this entertainment style home. It is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, plus it's got an office and a game room, media room. So let's go in and check it out. So right as we get inside here, you'll be able to see we've got the office right up front here. Nice big office. And then for me, we're gonna jump right in. Like you can see the hallway and everything behind me, but we're gonna jump right into what I think is the perfect guest bedroom. This is bedroom number 1. So out here in front, it's got its own bathroom as well. And then right across the hallway here, we've got the guest half bath. And we'll jump in again across the hallway. We come in. This bedroom has a nice big bathroom walk-in closet, but I'll let you come on in and take a look at this bathroom real quick so that you can see all 4 bedrooms have their own bathroom, which really makes this a great like family house as well as an entertainment house. And I'll show you why such an entertainment house. As you can see, everything opens up, but this has got its own media, game room, whatever area. Nice big, whole family can get in here watching movies, you know, having a playroom, pool table, ping pong table, whatever you want. Right across, beautiful dining, completely open. I love the ceiling in this, the way they finished it out. But if you notice, it is all completely open to the living area as well, which is a super cool thing to be able to have. Nice tall ceilings in here as we come through. All that door, those doors, sliding doors, completely open up. So spring, fall, you're gonna be able to just completely open this up, and you can imagine how wonderful it would be to have family, friends, everybody over and be able to hang out in this huge indoor and outdoor space. We're gonna jump in here to the 3rd bedroom. One of the things I like about this 3rd bedroom is it actually has a door to the patio there as well. This one has the window to the backyard. Again, has full bathroom on that as well. If you notice, all these bedrooms are completely separate from each other. It's one of my favorite things about this particular house is how beautiful that you are able to flow through the house, but everybody has their own space away from each other, which I think is super cool. But let's check out this kitchen, dining space area. Ridiculous. You've got cabinets, full china cabinet here. You got cabinets over there with the brown finish. And then you've got the 2-tone kitchen with the cabinets with the dark charcoal gray and white cabinets. Huge island, tons of countertop space, tons of cabinet space. I mean, come on, man. It's just, you know, out of control. We've got the full chef's cooktop stove there, as well as how beautiful that vent is. And then from here, you can just see how open and big and beautiful this house actually is. The living space here is just ridiculous. And we'll head into the primary. One of the things I really like about this primary, as you'll come in here, it's totally separate from the rest of the house. It even has this hallway getting you further away from everybody else into this big vaulted ceilings as well in this bedroom. So again, my favorite thing about this house is how, you know, central, how open it is, but how all the bedrooms are completely separate, creating a bunch of privacy. Come on in and take a look at this bathroom. Just bam, there it is, right? You've got your base tub, huge walk-in shower on either side. You got his and hers walk-in closets. You've got a big vanity, his and hers with sinks, like just a gorgeous bathroom that is completely open up. But let's take a look at the backyard on this house as well. So you can see on this hallway how private this primary bedroom is. As we get into here, you can take a look up top here and start to see, look at that big, beautiful beam. That's not a little tiny beam. Huge vaulted ceilings, just making this living space just feel absolutely huge and beautiful. We do have out here in this backyard, again, covered patio with the vaulted ceiling, so you get plenty of space. Nice covered patio out here for you to be able to enjoy, being able to sit out here. I love this house. like I said, entertainment, privacy, every bedroom separated. You got the office, you've got the media game room space. All this out here is fully flushed out, about 900 grand. Definitely hit me up. Let's take a look at this one.